Hello everyone, welcome back to Let's Learn. Have you ever wanted to add a clean and professional signature line in Microsoft Word for official documents, letters, or agreements? If yes, then this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you 3 different ways to create beautiful signature lines in MS Word. And the best part is, you don't need to draw anything manually. So, let's get started. First, select your signature details, such as your name and designation. Now press Ctrl+X to cut the selected text. You can also right-click the selected text and choose Cut if you prefer using the mouse. Next, go to the Insert tab. Click Text Box and choose Simple Text Box. A rectangular text box will appear. Delete the default sample text inside the box. Now paste your signature details by pressing Ctrl+V. Or simply right-click and choose Paste. Great. Now let's create the signature line. Place your cursor before your signature details. Type 3 asterisks, then press Enter. And there you go. A beautiful dotted signature line appears instantly. But wait. There's still a border around the text box. Let's make it look clean and professional. Simply double-click the border of the text box. The Shape Format tab will appear. Click Shape Outline, then choose No Outline. Perfect. Now the text box blends seamlessly into your document. You can move the signature anywhere you want. Simply drag and position it wherever it looks best. Now let me show you another useful trick. If you prefer a solid signature line instead of a dotted one, just type 3 hyphens, then press Enter. Microsoft Word automatically creates a solid horizontal line. Need a double signature line? No problem. Simply type 3 underscores by pressing Shift+hyphen 3 times. Then press Enter, and just like that, you'll get a professional double line. These simple shortcuts can save you a lot of time when preparing letters, reports, agreements, certificates, or official documents. If you'd also like to learn how to insert your handwritten signature into Microsoft Word, be sure to watch the video linked in the description or at the end screen. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Let's Learn for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.